So what's up, guys? Alright, so falling in line with doing all the mods that are a little bit more expensive falls in line one of the mods that I've been wanting to do for a while, and a lot of people ask me on, is doing a front lip that actually goes on this car. So the current front lip that's on it is from a 2017 Audi A5, so it doesn't line up as it should here. As you can see, there is a little bit of wiggle room. And also this thing's old and it just doesn't go on this car, and it does look good, but I just wish it like lined up a little bit better and just the fitment was better, just so it looks a whole lot cleaner on the car. So what we're gonna go ahead and install is this new front lip. So this lip is from ECS Tuning. This one is around, I want to say $240 around there. It's the non-carbon fiber one, and the reason why I didn't go for the non-carbon fiber one was because I break these all the time, and I was this close to going for carbon fiber, but I reminded myself I've gone through of those cheap lips around 4 or 3 of them, so there's no point in doing that, spending $1,000, it breaking, and then me being mad. And this one also gets rid of those little fins on the side that these ones have, like that. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that one first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and install this one. So I hope y'all like it, and yeah, that's what it looks like. It's a lot lower. I'll compare both lips. I'll get the old one and the new one next to each other, so you guys can go ahead and take a look and see what the difference is, and hopefully this one's worth it, and you guys can go ahead and buy a more expensive option if it looks a lot better. Alright, so this is the difference between the two lips. As you can tell, one's a lot more beefy than the other one, but yeah, 250 bucks, 80 bucks. Yeah, and just different models, and this one just fits exact model, so pretty excited about it. So let me go ahead and start the installation. But first things first, you want to do is clean the bottom of your car, because there's double-sided tape that's gonna have to go on here, so you're gonna want to go ahead and start cleaning everything off. It's goof off because I have a bunch of plastic dip left over from when it was dipped, so oh god, that burns. Oh my god, you can see how much I scrape here. Pick up the double-sided tape after you clean the bottom of it, because this makes things a lot easier when you're trying to just hold everything on there while you're drilling. So it comes with 6 holes on each side and then 1 down the middle here. And it comes with all the bolts that you need. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then extra bolts right over here on the top part. So these are gonna grab on too. I'm pretty sure existing bolts are already in there, but if not, I'll let you guys know. Alright guys, so that's what it looks like with the front lip on. It's a lot lower, as you can see. It lines up pretty flush on there, so I know the car's gonna look a lot lower than it was before, which I'm happy about, and I'll show you guys where the bolts went. So bolt goes in here, 2, 3, 4, let me see, so 1, 2, 3. I went ahead and put another one here, just so there's a lot, it grabs on a lot better. So as you can see, this thing is pretty sturdy on there. It's not gonna go anywhere, I doubt it. Not the wind is not gonna take it anywhere, but if you do hit something, maybe then. But so far, I like it a lot because it's actually flush on the car. And as for the ones inside, this one goes here. As for this one, I have no idea where this one goes, because it doesn't line up with this bolt, and there's no bolt here that it lines up with, so I think I might just have to like self-tap a screw in there, but oh well. And that, it lines up pretty good, and it's pretty flush. Alright, so I'm gonna be honest with y'all, I don't know where I left off in the last video, but I think I was just like putting on the front lip or something. But yeah guys, it wasn't really an install video, it's just showing you guys the differences between the old lip and the new lip. But yeah, that's what the new lip looks like. It looks a lot lower, and it is a lot lower because I scrape in my driveway and it hurts every single time, so this is where I have to park now. But yeah, as you can see, it's starting to chip off a little bit just because my front driveway isn't safe for it, and my car's already lowered, so it doesn't help that I'm putting a lip that just adds on a lot more. So that's what it looks like. I honestly love the front lip. It looks a whole lot better. It goes with the car, it fits the car. So yeah, that's what it looks like. The only downside is I scrape on everything now, but besides that, it's not the lip's fault, it's just my car being lowered. But yeah guys, if you guys like the lip, if you guys would put it on your car, comment down below, or which one you would go for specifically if you were doing it on your car. But yeah guys, like and subscribe. It does help out the content on the channel because I can go ahead and do a lot more stuff to the car, and I can go ahead and show you guys things before you guys do it to your car. Alright guys, till next time, peace. See ya.